If you own a car, you likely know that there's added costs along the life of owning that car. When a company owns a vehicle, they have those same added costs. Sometimes these costs are treated as repairs and maintenance expenses. Sometimes they're treated as capital expenditures and added to the cost of the asset. So, repairs and maintenance expenses occur as a normal operation of owning that vehicle or other piece of equipment. If we were referring to a vehicle, these would be things like tire rotations or even repairs. And replacements. Any sort of fluid change, like an oil change or other changes. And any other function that just keeps the equipment operating as it should be. However, if you do a major overhaul, it would be considered a capital expenditure. So, an example of a capital expenditure may be an engine overhaul or engine replacement. It could be modifying the vehicle or equipment to be more efficient. For example, if you were using it as a delivery vehicle and you added an HVAC system to the back of the vehicle, that would be a major renovation to the vehicle, and that would be treated as a capital expenditure and added to the cost of the equipment. So oftentimes when you think about capital expenditures, ask yourself, does it extend the life of the equipment? So for example, a new engine would greatly extend the life of a vehicle. Or does it enhance it and create efficiency? So for example, adding a lift or a cooling system in order to benefit the deliveries.